Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something we've discussed before, Etsy. The difference is that last time we focused more on how to connect your Etsy store to CJ, which was like assumed that you guys already have an Etsy store. And today, let's just talk about the platform itself and a commonly asked question, is Etsy legit? If you already made up your mind about running a business on Etsy, or even you already have a store on Etsy, you can skip this video and move on to do something more productive. However, if you are really hesitating about getting an online business, stay tuned. Before we dive deep into today's content, please make sure you've subscribed to this channel and turned on the notification bell, so you can always keep up with the updates about dropshipping and e-commerce. Etsy is popular mainly for two reasons. It is a one-stop online marketplace for aesthetics products, and thanks to all perks it offers, it's incredibly user-friendly. The platform is evolving every day. So to answer the question earlier first, yes, Etsy is legit. It connects artists, craftsmen, and creators with consumers who prefer products with artsy looks. So next question. Is selling on Etsy worth it? Before we get to the answer, let's explore everything about how Etsy works, how much it costs to sell on this platform, what products are welcomed and what is prohibited, pros and cons, etc. How does Etsy work? Etsy was founded in 2005. What you find on Etsy are primarily handcrafted, vintage art, and craft products, or peculiar items. And unlike other platforms like Amazon or Walmart, most Etsy sellers create, select, and sell everything on it. How much does it cost to sell on Etsy? Although Etsy doesn't charge anything to open an account, you need to pay later for the products that are listed, sold, and shipped. Listing fee, $0.2 per listing. Transaction fee, 5% every total sale amount. Payment processing fee, 3% plus 0.25 per transaction. What to sell on Etsy? You can sell a variety of items on Etsy, and they can be categorized into the following. First, handmade items. These are the products that are created and/or designed by the seller. If you own a team, then all the team members must be named in the About section. The same applies to if you import products from the Etsy dropshipping supplier like cjdropshipping. Also, Etsy encourages using original photographs of the items. Number 2, vintage items. The age of vintage products should be maximum of 20 years. However, you must distinguish between vintage and vintage style items, as the latter aren't allowed. Number 3, craft supplies. This includes tools, materials, and ingredients primarily intended for production purpose and/or a special occasion. You can also add handmade products in this category, and so as the commercial or vintage craft supplies. Generally speaking, Etsy items comprise of gifts, jewelry items and accessories, entertainment products and toys, planners, calendars, and other printables, clothing, shoes, handbags, and other trendy items, essentials for weddings and parties, as well as decorations. Pros and cons. According to recent stats, there are almost 81.9 million active buyers and nearly 39.4 million active sellers on Etsy. And the reasons are pretty obvious. Easy to set up. Selling things on Etsy is much easier than opening an e-commerce store, as there is no need to start an online shop website. You can just go to the Etsy website, following a few steps, and it will be done. Save time, effort, and money. Since you're not building your store, a few-step account opening saves the time you spend designing your shop. It also saves tons of money for purchasing a domain and hosting. Not to mention the troubles that comes with setting them up. Simple to use. A few of the many perks of being an Etsy seller are having easy access to your shop, quick configuration, and effortless maintenance, like adding or editing listings to your shop. Also, Etsy is very user-friendly. You receive guidance for everything that can update your shop anytime. SEO-friendly. Etsy offers its users a comprehensive marketing strategy that favors new listings, and thus you get instant recognitions as soon as you add products to your shop. Not only that, Etsy is way cheaper when it comes to advertising, and you can start with as little as $10 per week. So enough of the perks, now let's go through some of the downsides you may face as an Etsy seller. Limited options. Etsy has a very clear line regarding the products you can sell. They should be only handcrafted, vintage, or unique. If Etsy finds out a product is violating its boundaries, it will simply remove the product from your shop. Copycats. Etsy is a place to show your creativity, but the market is also full of people who may steal your idea, modify it a little, or just copy the entire product and present it as their own. However, the good thing is that creativity matters in the end, and you can always win with your talent and skills. Is Etsy worth selling in 2021? This is a growing platform. Nearly 39.4 million active sellers may seem like high competition, but it also means better chances of success. Etsy connects sellers and buyers. It provides you with the opportunity to verify a product's demand in the market without spending too much time, energy, and money on it. You can have a startup and experience every stage before you plan on upgrading your shop. All of this makes Etsy worth a try. Also, another perk of using Etsy is building an audience, as you can grow your clients and later lead them to your own website. In a nutshell, if you believe your creativity deserves some attention, Etsy is a great place to begin. So, how can you sell on Etsy? Etsy supports personally designed products that you can list and sell. Conversely, you can also contract with a reliable dropshipping supplier and sell your products. For example, us. If you want to find out more about us, please check out our video description. Any question or doubt, drop them in the comment below. Don't forget to give us a thumb up if you find it helpful. Subscribe if you haven't, and thank you so much for watching. Let's link up next time.